Hi everyone, happy World Book Day. I'm looking forward to seeing you all later. I'm dressed as Mrs. Fox. I hope you can tell, and I can't wait to see what you are all dressed as. So today we are going to be learning about describing patterns. Okay, so first thing we're going to talk about is what are these shapes? So pause here. Okay, this is a semicircle, not a semicircle. This is a circle, and then we've got a semicircle, and then we've got a quarter of a circle. Okay, they even say it down there to remind you. What is the fifth shape? So remember what I did last time? I'd go semicircle, circle, semicircle, circle, semicircle. But now it asks about the 50th shape. So to help me, I'm actually going to go up to the 10th shape. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So if you look, the even number of each of these, of this pattern, is a circle. So we know 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are circles, and then we could count all the way up to nearest 50 if we could. Or we could count in our tens, because we've got 10 there, 20, 30, 40, 50. So actually the 50th shape is a circle, and we know that from using our times tables. Okay, so now we're here on the 12th shape. So we've got triangle, square, triangle, square, triangle, square. And it carries on, doesn't it? So look, we've got our second shape there. And because it's our 12s, we can actually count in our 2s again, can't we? So 2, 4, 6, and then it'd be 8, 10, 12. So I know my 12th one would be a rectangle. Now let's double check then. So we've got 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, now we've got this one. Okay, for this one, because it doesn't constantly go to 4, because we've got 3 triangles, haven't we? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you look, if we were going to go from the 2s, it would be medium triangle, but then it's back to big triangle, isn't it? 7, 8, and then it's back to medium triangle. So we can't actually use that method. So instead, I'd just work it out. So we've got up to 8 here, haven't we? Okay, 8, and then 9 is tiny. 10, 11, and then 12. Okay, so here again we've got a pattern of 3, so it makes it a little bit harder because we've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we'd go 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it'd be green, orange, orange, green, orange, orange. Our answer would be orange. Okay, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So on our 2s, it's always the same 1, isn't it? Because 2, 4, 6. Whereas these, when it was 2, 4, it changed colour, didn't it? So we couldn't do it there. But for this one, we can because it's the same. So I know for a fact that my 12th one would be the square on its side. Okay, here we're looking at what the first shape should be. So that's number 1. So if it was number 2, have a look for the ones that are in the 2 times tables, because this is only 2 shapes, isn't it? So which ones are in the 2 times tables? So it's your 6th and your eighth. So if we were looking for the second one, we'd know it's the rectangle, but we're not. We're looking for the first one. So what would be before the rectangle? It'd be another square. So actually the first one is a purple square. So again, we're going to do it that way. So look for the even ones. Are the even ones all the same? Yeah, because we've got the 10th, 12th, 14th. So we know that the second, because it's in the 2 times table, would be like that, which means our first one would actually be that. Now you could also work it out like I did up here. So you could go rectangle, square, until you get to the first one. So that's 4, 3, 2. That should be a rectangle. And then our square on the end. Okay. So you can do all that working out, or you can try and have a go at guessing. But then I'd probably always check just after anyway. But here is your worksheet. So you've got to circle the 15th shape. So maybe draw it out, have a think, and then you've got to figure out what the first shape would be there. Do you remember what I say in class? Especially my class should know that. All this white around the worksheet should be used for your working out. It's the best place. And also when I see you're working out, it makes me happy because you can get extra marks in tests for working out. So I can't wait to see you all later at our assembly. And I hope you all get dressed up if you can, or at least come with your favorite book, and I will see you later.